Hello and welcome back everyone. So how you can hide your drive volume? Let me show you something. Let's see. Okay. So here we have two drive. Okay. I want to hide this volume. Okay. So there's some sensitive data. I don't want someone can access this data. So I want to hide this folder. Okay. So I want to hide this volume, entire volume. So how I can do that? Just right click on your this PC. Okay, and click on show more option, then go to manage, click on manage. Okay, here, and you can see the computer management is just open. Okay, so click on disk management here. Now you can see this e volume. Okay, I want to hide this e volume, and this is our seed volume. So just right click on your e volume and change drive letter paths. Okay, click on it, and here you have to remove this e letter. Okay, so click on remove. Yes, and now you can see here. Okay, so drive letter is gone. Okay, so drive letter is gone, then the drive also is gone. Okay, so now you are not able to see the drive here. Okay, and how you can undo it? Okay, so just right click on it and change the drive letter path and add a drive letter. I'll assign e letter and okay, and here you can see we have assigned the e letter, and let's reload it, and you can see the drive will appear again. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for being here. Bye.